Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called Affiliate Maniac. And this video I'm going to show you what is exactly the Affiliate Maniac. And I have some exclusive bonus in order to help to boost your result. And then I will tap into the members area. And lastly, I will go through the price and upsell as well. So if you what is exactly the Affiliate Maniac? It's all about how to tap into YouTube channel, other people's YouTube channel, and you can stipend and monetize from other people get YouTube and a profitable YouTube channel, and how to deal with the YouTube channel vendor, and you can if you are profitable and not monetized, and you can buy in Jimmy will tell you 4 different strategies. You can buy their YouTube channel, you can rent their YouTube channel, you can bargain with them, and also you have the comment, and also you interact with the vendor. So if you all want to tap into this free traffic from other people's profitable YouTube channel, and also to drive traffic to whatever you want. If you are interested in this product, please stay with me. Don't forget and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's take a look to my bonus page. What I exclusive bonus for you. If you pick up the affiliate, if you pick up this product from me. So in my bonus page, bonus number 1, you will get a free video training course. You will how to make money online. Is step by step and newbie friendly training. It's also you just create your account. You will take you every step in the members area. When you create your account, tap into the members area, you will go through and how to make money online with affiliate marketing. You will have tons of the video. Don't have to pay anything. Just simply create your free account. Bonus number 2, you will get about free membership. You can get paid by giving away this membership in 2 ways. When upgrade, when they purchase any solo package, you will get paid. Bonus number 3, you will get a free affiliate bootcamp, and you how to make a full-time career. Just because this is software, you just promote it once and get paid after month, and you will learn the strategy from 15 super affiliate how to promote this software. Bonus number 2, I will give you a tool and another course to make more money. Commission on fire, weapon income system. This system will make you 15,000 per month system. Bonus number 5, you will get another course, $100 a day video series, and other course about clickbait secret, and all my exclusive bonus for the front end. So I also included some exclusive bonus. If you pick any upsell, OTO bonus number 1, you will get an exclusive bonus package. IG secret, 25 plus traffic method, super fast traffic method, 3,000 Instagram and Facebook inspiration image. The first video you will get another platform, how you can drive more traffic. The last you will tap into Instagram and Facebook. If you are do it for yourself, it will take a long of time. If you outsource it, it will be very expensive. I also included over about 3,000 Instagram, Facebook inspiration image for you. This is also no brainer. You will take away and you save you much more time and money. OTO bonus number 2, you will get a super bonus package. You also included 7 different package. 100 background music track, 117 high quality stock image bundle, 60 stock video, YouTube easy video course, niche and keyword research, Facebook live authority, and high ticket for authority. And also I also included the first OTO bonus is the mega monster bonus package. Included 6 items. The first is about how to make 2,000 a day video training course. Second is the web Google account creator. The third is pre-registry, and the fourth is the 20 WordPress plugin. The fifth is the 17 sales letter template, and the last is the IM toolkit. All my exclusive bonus that will be delivered inside the raw rappers, simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, simply click any blue button and you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the raw rappers. But if you are interested in any upsell and or you will buy any upsell and you will get all my OTO bonus number 1, 2, 3. This is a bunch of mega bonus you can grab into if you buy any upsell from me. So let's take a look at what is inside the members area. And inside the members area, I highly recommend that you can first of all you to take a look the video tutorial because this is the most important thing that you should watch. This is also included the 4 different videos. The first video is a suitcase about Jimmy to show his YouTube channel. The second video that is about to show one of his video, his channel that is about the guitar and how you can monetize from your YouTube channel. The third video is all about what are you up against and what you can do and you don't want to do in your YouTube channel. And the final is the business deal. It's all about how to connect with the YouTube channel vendor, YouTube channel creator, how to this a template. But Jimmy want you to customize in your own work. You will have to create more, have your more creativity to how to contact with the creator to the YouTube channel vendor. Don't just copy and paste as the template. So the software is YouTube software. That is the YouTube software. This is also the first YouTube software. This is also all YouTube software that you can tap into anything that you want. This is also you can you can search any term and you can make business opportunity and also you can search any keyword and you can search any keyword you can see that there's much more keyword that you can tap into and also you can select category and you can see that there is on tons of category you can select to and you can order by this many by data, weight and relevance, title, video count, and you can have safe search and also you can video duration, longer video and shorter. After that, I've selected the business opportunity and you can practice put up to search and you will then see that this is also a pop up with 3 different straight and video. When you grab this view detail, you will have more and you can see likes, dislike, favorite, comment, views, duration, dimension, definition, and also have a different tab and you can message, you can directly this is also the very awesome. You can directly or message or the owner here and you can make a deal with them and then the second software that you can tap into is YouTube analyzer, YouTube analytical, and you can if you tap into that you can create your account and you can because I don't want to spend too much time to about every tool that you can tap into because you just start up and also they have come with other training courses to teach you how to analyze your YouTube channel. Campaign that you created, they all installed in this campaign. They also come with this traffic suite. Traffic suite. This is also another how to drive traffic. They come with free and paid traffic. Click list free is the click list. Facebook fan page, you will build your fan page. Click list is such as a classified ad. If you are US, you will more familiar with click list. It is free and advertising method that you can tap into. And other and Udemy and traffic from is a solo app platform. Traffic app, Google Ads and Bing Ads, it also come with the PPC pay per clicks and pay platform. And Bing is similar to the Google Ads, but it is much more and easier to tap into. And because they also have a more cheap and affordable for when you get things start in pay traffic. So you can get started with $5 per day. This is also very easy for a newbie to tap into the pay traffic. And also they come with number 2 other software you can tap into the graphic editor. This is also very similar to another platform. You can see this the Canva, CANVA, the Canva. You can drive for feed for live. You can create image from different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and other poster. And also it comes with tons of template you can tap into. But in my opinion, I prefer to use Canva than this graphic editor. Article rewriter, this also rewrite your article. If you tap into that, then also to have a very unique article. They have some similar to rewrite your article. And also it comes with a custom offer. Custom offer, you will have two tap into them. Pay Kickstarter, they have two different offers. And you can tap into that. But I highly recommend that you can search Google search any in your niche, and also have tons of affiliate program you can tap into that. If you have properly go through the video, the tutorial and how to use them, how to bad use of their YouTube software and article, and also other traffic source suite, and you can make your more money from this program. And also underneath this custom offer, you will come to the different upsell as well. Done for you, partner with Jimmy, monetization size, 10x multiplier and winner circle. So lastly, I will take you what is the upsell and was the price and upsell as well. So let's take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your YouTube channel. So let's take a look at what is my the bonus, the upsell as well. You will get a tap into this affiliate medicine is the software and a method you will get to acquire the perfect YouTube account that will target traffic and then sell agency service. And also you will come with a front end just for $67.95. Upsell number 1 is and I'm not sure how to spell it. It is upsell number 1 access $39, but downsell $27. If the front end just for the 20 search for a profitable YouTube account, but per day. But you are unlimited with this upsell number 1. You will get unlimited research. Upsell number 2, you will get done for you get $67. Come with $37. You will get your own virtual assistant to my profitable YouTube channel. And also plug in your affiliate link for high ticket service. But you will allocate their team members to actually work for you. This is also to have hire their team member to work for you. Everything done for you just for $37 for downsell. Upsell number 3 is a partner with Jimmy. $197 will come to the downsell with $47. You will have every week. You will have an exclusive member only the class with Jimmy. Because Jimmy will train you and act you as manager and agent. Because this is a very experienced. Jimmy is a very experienced affiliate vendor and also a super affiliate marketer. So you will learn much more from his weekly training. This is no brainer. If you get this downsell just for $47, you will learn much more knowledge from him. Upsell number 4, you will more in my monetization site $97, but come with downsell $67. They are software with 5 profitable and available YouTube account for you can maximize your and you can have the target traffic. And also come with the monetization site and just included with a few click and easy way. Over 300 plan page in over 220 niches, and you can launch a website quickly and also to build a list. And also just for $67 you can tap into the 300 template and also you over the 220 niches. This is also you can diversify your income stream in different niches. And so you can easily for you because we have a template for you to click and easy and tap into that. Upsell number 5, you will 10x multiplier $67 with downsell $37. You will unlock alpha and monetization will handpicked by Jimmy and his team. And also you will have a monetization solution that are very hot. For example, you can target a client who will pay an SEO company $24,000 per monthly for 2 years with this upgrade, and this offer will access to your control panel account. The last upsell is the winner circle $77 come with $37 downsell. With this program, you will resell rights to 5 of Gmail the most high converting funnel. This also you can sell this funnel and keep 100% for this 5 different high converting funnel. And in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can upsell number 1 because you will get unlimited search. If you want to let everything is done for you, you could grab a done for you server just for $39 because they will allocate their team member to actually work from you. And the upsell number 3 with downsell is partner with Jimmy for $47 嘅 downsell you will have much more knowledge from Jimmy weekly coaching other than you ask him anything you can tip into how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and also much more knowledge from him because he is a very experienced and successful vendor and super affiliate. So and what is the benefit when you tap into this product? You will have a high converting traffic streamer in minutes. This is a traffic software. You can literally anything that you and tap into any niche. And you can build you don't have to build an email, you don't have an email list, no offer for list. You will also this is also a very awesome because you will have a 367 days money back guarantee, just 1 year. If you have any question and not satisfied, you can ask for the refund because they are very satisfied because Jimmy is very confident in his product and his software, and you can have a 1 year have no question. You have a 1 year money back guarantee. This is no brainer. 1 year you can try this software. So lastly, what is my recap? What my exclusive bonus for you? Bonus number 1, free video training course. Bonus number 2, you will get a free membership. Bonus number 4, you will get a free affiliate bootcamp. Bonus number 4, you will get 2 exclusive make money online training course, commission on fire, the weapon income system. Bonus number 5, you will get another 2 courses, $100 a day video series, ClickBank secret. And if you grab any OTO bonus, you will get my free exclusive bonus for you. OTO bonus number 1, you will get exclusive bonus package, IG secret, 25 fast traffic method, super fast traffic, 3,000 Instagram and Facebook inspiration image. Just for free, you will get more traffic. The last one, you will 3,000 Instagram and Facebook inspiration image. You would save you tons of time and money. OTO bonus number 2, you will get a super bonus package. Super bonus package. Also, you will get OTO bonus 3, mega monster bonus package. Just for them. This is also if you get any upsell, you will get tons of OTO bonus if you pick any upsell from me. Don't forget, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you practice any blue button and go through the search page, if you have purchased all my, if you purchase my front end, you will get my bonus 1 to bonus 5. If you purchase any upsell, you will get my OTO bonus 1, 2, 3. This is a bunch of this mega bonus for you if you pick any upsell as well. So lastly, thanks for taking time to check out my affiliate madness review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Other than I upload a daily video about the product launch, and also will upload more marketing video to help your business. And also with the upcoming data, I will have upload more and make money online tips and help you to make more money as a side hustle in this pandemic period. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you will support my YouTube channel. See you later.